Welcome to BTU here at Productronica. Delighted to be joined by Rob DiMatteo. Nice to see you, Rob.
Thank you, Trevor. Glad to be here.
Yeah, and many congratulations on your new appointment as General Manager.
Thank you. A little bit of a different role for me, but I've been with BTU a long time and familiar with all aspects of the company, from operations, obviously through sales and customer support. This is just one of many new challenges we have at BTU, so I'm looking forward to the challenge.
Yeah, but I'm guessing taking it over during the middle of COVID was
just another challenge these days, amongst many, with logistics issues and price increases for raw materials, shortages from the supply chain. So it's just something else that we'll have to deal with, and our customers are dealing with it as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I can't wait till we all work through that, of course. But so, looking on the equipment side for BTU, of course, you've got your Paramax platform, which has been a stalwart for you. It's been an industry standard for a long time now. How is that performing, and where do you see yourself going?
I think most people know the Paramax platform has been the stable for reflow for BTU for many years. It's available in a variety of different sizes based on our customers' volume and needs for both air and nitrogen applications. It holds true with the BTU characteristics of being highly reliable, repeatable. It allows our customers in different regions, for instance, to run the same product anywhere in the world on the same line, regardless of the age of the system or where that system is located. So it gives them a real advantage. We're looking in the future to make some improvements, looking for some potential improvements on cost of ownership, which we're working on now, user interface, things to simplify the user experience for BTU.
Yeah, I mean, it's been known for doing a very good job on nitrogen management as well. But obviously one of the things that's happening today in the industry is people are talking about sustainability, how to work better or utilize energy better. Is that areas that you're going to be looking at going forward?
That's exactly right. So for cost of ownership, we've focused on a couple of different areas. We do several things in terms of power consumption, including things like a soft start, so the oven doesn't have to draw as much power when the customer is starting that up. We also do some power management, where we can modify the power in different zones to, again, reduce the power consumption. And even on the heat given off to the room, we've done some things with insulation packages to help reduce that air conditioning and heating load at the customer, particularly if that unit's going in a small room. The less heat we can give off, the better it is for the customer. One of the big focuses, however, has been really with the main source of pain for everybody in the reflow oven is dealing with the flux management system.
Absolutely. I was just
dealing with the flux that goes into the oven. It has to go somewhere. It stays on the board. Some of it goes up the exhaust. Some of it stays within the reflow oven. And we've been able to introduce a brand new technology called the Aqua Scrub flux management system that is really maintaining the oven to a new level. It eliminates all heat exchangers, all filters that previously may have needed to be changed, swapped out periodically, and really turns the maintenance into a touchless experience where the customer just needs to empty a waste container typically about once a week. And this would be for very high volume applications. It works very well with all paste chemistries, which is something very different than previous condensing type flux management systems. So it is really a breakthrough change for us, very innovative, in really changing the way the customer deals with the flux management in the reflow oven.
Yeah, well, as you said earlier, I mean, it's definitely one of the pain points in the reflow process. I mean, dealing with the flux is a sticky, horrible mess. So if you've got a system that's going to be able to cope with that and clean it effectively, then that's a big bonus.
Absolutely. It cuts down on the maintenance for not only the flux management, but inside the oven. Keeps the oven very clean inside, so that flux goes into a disposable container that can be easily changed out.
Right. And it deals literally with any kind of flux, because fluxes are always changing every day.
That's the beauty of the system. Previous generation systems were very dependent on the type of paste or flux that was used. The efficiency varied greatly. Our system is above 90% efficient in removing the flux from the gas stream, regardless of what paste is used.
Right, excellent. Okay, super. Well, it's great to see you doing well with these things. What's happening over in China? Because you've got two locations locations. You've got one in Billerica in the US, and you've got one in Shanghai. You've recently expanded there a bit. Tell us a bit about that.
That's right. So back in the late August, early September time frame, we moved into a brand new facility, still within the Pudong free trade zone, just about a mile and a half from our existing facility. What we've done there is we've been able to double the capacity of that facility, double the space. So right now our capacity has the ability to expand quite a bit more than it had before. And that facility is dedicated to the manufacture of the BTU Paramax reflow ovens.
Right. And so presumably you've got the demand there, and that's why you did it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Great. Well, congratulations on that, and congratulations on getting it up and running during COVID. I mean, that's a feat in itself.
Absolutely. No, it's great to be here. Great to be here at a show and seeing customers and our reps and all our colleagues.
Absolutely, and I can't wait for it to get back to real normal. But having said that, this event has been surpassed my expectations.
Absolutely, it's been very well attended, especially today.
Yeah, I agree. Anyway, Rob, great to see you again. I look forward to catching up with you at Apex, of course, which is only a couple of months away.
Look forward to it, Charlie.
Yeah. Okay. So good. Safe travels home. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you. We'll see you in San Diego.
Take care.
Thank you.